Amazing sports: tennis, boxing, badminton, gymnastics, swimming, skiing, ice hockey, archery, cricket, basketball, billiards, chess, judo, roller skating, weightlifting, snowboarding. Fabulous birds: cuckoo, magpie, tailor bird, heron, pelican, cockatoo, finch, skylark, hummingbird, ostrich, robin, kiwi bird, goldfinch, cardinal, hawk. Aquatic animals: hammerhead shark, starfish, pufferfish, lobster, seahorse, electric eel, killer whale, dolphin, prawn, alligator, squid, jellyfish, stingray, sea turtle, walrus, oyster. Internal organs: heart, brain, lungs, intestines, stomach, thyroid, bladder, liver, spleen, pancreas, kidneys. Our classroom: globe, desk, geometry box, blackboard, pencil, ruler, chalk, dustbin, chart, duster, bag, table, books, chair, pen.